this workshop is for you. It's not for someone who's starting, it's not for someone who has done it for 20 years. At the end of the day, there's a level playing ground for anyone who is interested in the media live streaming.
Seemingly it's Canon, we're talking about Canon here.
You are not being taught and the trainers are the one doing it. They teach you and they make you do it by yourself.
I really thank Canon for giving us the opportunity to learn.
To connect with like-minded people and get to know more about the media live streaming.
I always do technicals, but not at the level at which I did them here.
My biggest takeout is there's something for you here at the bus with Canon.